Hi guys, so I'm back to do another video. I've had a lot of questions on my videos regarding the GED for math. I had somebody ask me what calculator is used on the GED exam, and I have it here. It's the FX 260. So you can pretty much buy this anywhere. I got mine off Staples. So this is the one I used for my exam. The day of my exam, this is the one I also used to study. And yeah, it's very easy, straightforward. And also if you have like a GED prep book, has instructions on how to use the calculator if you have any trouble. And there's tons of things on Google that you can search, and it'll give you a bit of a guide on how to use it. So for math, there's 50 questions, and I have posted this on my previous videos, but I have people also asking me questions on like how many questions are there, and is it all like drop down, like multiple choice type of questions? And the answer is yes, they're all multiple choice. There's 50 questions. 25 you can use a calculator, which is this calculator, and the other 25 you cannot use a calculator. So what happens is, if you're doing the computer-based test like I did, you have somebody from that facility who walks you into the room and signs you in. And so, you begin your exam. It kind of gives you instructions on how the exam is going to go. It tells you, how to fill in the answers and all like the things that you need to know during the exam. And then you press start and you actually start the test, and the time starts counting. So you can see the time on the corner. If you're doing this on the computer, you could see the time on the corner, and you could see the corner on the screen. You can see how much time is left. So you do your 25 questions, and once your 25 questions are done, which I wondered, I'm like, okay, so when my 25 questions are done, how do I give away my calculator? When the 25 questions are done, in order to start your second part of the exam, which is the remainder 25 questions, it logs you out. So then whoever is there in the facility, the agent or whatever, they come and they help you, and they sign in. And so then you continue part 2 of your exam, and they take your calculator from you. What you can use is paper and pen. I brought my own, and they didn't want me to bring my own paper, my own pen. So they provided it for me. They had a piece of paper, blank sheet of paper, and pens. So before starting my test, I asked if I could write down some quick formulas, some quick things that I had in my mind that I just wanted to write down, and they said it was fine. They said yes, you can write it prior to starting your exam. So when you sit there and you're about to start your exam, you don't actually have to start right away. You can take a moment to write any formulas, any little notes that you have in the back of your head that you want to write, and then you start by reading the instructions, and then you start by initiating the actual exam. So that's pretty much how it was with me, and I just thought I would share that because I've had numerous questions about it, and this is all based off a Canadian GED exam, which when I was studying, I couldn't find any sort of Canadian sort of studying material. I had to pretty much do my own Canadian search, and I just found that I needed to do these videos to help out people, just because I know what you're going through, and everything is US based, and US based math is so different from the Canadian math, in the sense of, not that it's a different system, it's just that our exam is a different sort of style. So we have less algebra, and US based has more algebra. So there's a lot of things that if you studying the wrong material, you're just going to waste your time, and you're going to get frustrated, you're going to fail. And that's exactly what happened to me. I failed because I was studying the wrong material. And then finally, I started digging and digging, and I found the right material. And I have videos that you can also check, and it'll tell you what I used to study and Canadian-based sort of material that helped me. So that's it for today. If you have any questions, let me know and subscribe. Thank you.